Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active status on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right, then you should see a settings cog on the top right, so you just need to tap on there. Once you're on here, just scroll down. And then underneath audience and visibility, you should see active status at the bottom. So you want to click on that. And this will just let you know your friends and connections can see when you're active or were recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change this setting, turn it off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So all you have to do is obviously just toggle that off, and it'll just let you know. You won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, have recently been active, or are in a chat with you. So just click turn off if you're happy with that. And that's how you can turn off your active status on Facebook. Thanks for watching.